Go up Sunset or out Lover's Lane?
Probably Lover's Lane fast. I don't know what it's like out there.
Remember, that's the first time you rode it since you had the lower kid.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be much different, but I seen a big difference. Got a car coming. Can you notice the difference?
It feels like my old bike.
It does. Feels like this one.
Yeah. Well, I mean, just, I don't know. Well, I can't really tell from just there. I'll know a little more.
Well, I can tell. It just seems like center balance dropped quite a bit.
Red light. Wrong.
Huh?
What's wrong?
Nothing. Why?
How could you just slow down for big time?
Policeman right in front of you. I ain't gonna slow down to the speed limit, but I ain't gonna go 50 miles past them. You didn't see him?
No.
That white car right there.
No.
Warnersville's finest.